Hey guys, in this video we are gonna create a watermark. As you can see, I have already created a watermark like this, and I'll teach you how to create watermarks in this video. So just follow me. Okay, see, here is a simple watermark. You can see this is a watermark. Okay, now let me close this document first, and I'll teach you how to create it. Yep. So first off, you need to create a new document from create new. Okay, just create a new document. I'll just click on create new, and wait, it's opening up. It's a bit slow. I've created a custom one. You just give your own name. I'll give it as WATER watermark. Oops, why is this a small letter? Yeah, now width is 3500, height is 3500, orientation is this, resolution is 300 and pixels and inch. In the advanced options, don't mess with this. Leave the color profile as it is, RGB, and let the background color be white itself. Okay, and just click on create. Now it should create a new document like this. To resize it, just press Ctrl+0 so that it resizes itself. Now go to your text tool right here and select a text. I have selected this text right here. I have selected this one. Okay, you select whichever text you want. So now you can just type up your watermark. Let me type it as watermark itself. WAT. It is a simple watermark. Okay, no graphics are used in it. So let me resize this. Ctrl T to resize it. Let me resize it. Wait a bit. Sorry if there is any kind of disturbance. Yeah. Now go up to your crop tool right here. This is your crop tool. Okay. Yeah, just click on your crop tool and you can start cropping your watermark. Now you need to off this off your background layer behind. I have just offed it. So if there is any value assigned here, just click on clear and choose the ratio as width into height into resolution. Don't choose any of this right here. Just click on this and start cropping it. It's damn easy. Just click on enter so that the background, so that it gets cropped and the background layer is turned off. Wait, let me name it. Yeah, background, and go to file. Oops, wait, file, open. Yeah, so I'll take up a picture. Wait, which one should I pick? I think I'll pick this one. This is good though. Yeah, go to your move tool and just drag this watermark right here, just like this. Resize it by pressing Ctrl T, and you have your pretty little watermark. Or if you yeah, wait, let me show you that also. After this I'll show you how to save it. You can just reduce your opacity. See, right, you can reduce our opacity from here, right here. Okay, let me do that for you. Yeah, this is good. Now if you want to save your watermark, go to file, export, and save for web legacy right here. Okay, you can go do that. Now go to export, save for web legacy. Now you need to select something here. Okay, you need to change into PNG24. You don't want JPEG, you don't want PNG8, you don't want GIF, you don't want WBMP. Just select PNG24 and click on this button. Make sure the transparency is ticked on right here. Okay, this one. Yeah, just click on it and you can click on save right here, and wait, watermark 2. I'll save it in images only. Yeah, images only. I'll save it in video session. Yeah, click on save. It should be saved right now. Go to file. You can go to file. I think you can click on place embedded. I think so. This should work. Yeah, see, you have a watermark. Let me delete the first one, and you can just reduce the opacity right here, just like this. Yeah, now you have created a pretty good watermark which can be used in your professional photography. Or you can just click on file, open, and watermark. If you click on file place is better than this, you need to do the stuff here. You need to drag it this side. File place is good. You don't want to drag it. Okay, you can just place the watermark on the image directly. File, place, embedded. Just click on this. Yeah, this is good. I'll reduce the opacity. Yeah, this is good. See, this is how easy it is to create a watermark in Photoshop. You can create even your own custom logo and reduce the opacity. I'll just draw a rectangle. I'll just draw sides are 3 and make sure that these both are turned off. I'll just create a logo like this. Oops, I've selected it. Yeah, this is good. I'll reduce this side. Oh no, yeah, this is good. I'll just select a rectangle tool and I'll just do this right here. Wait, no stroke and fill. I'll give it as black. Go to press V and resize it so that it aligns properly. Yeah, now this is a logo. I'll just merge this. Hold Control and press both and click on merge layers. Okay, or yeah, why is this not merging up? Merge shapes. Okay, these are shapes, right? I totally forgot what are these. Yeah, you can click on merge shapes. Okay, now I have selected this. You can click on file, export, save for web. Wait, let me unlock this. Let me do this. File, export, and save for web. Yeah, this is, yeah, I think this is good. Click on save videos. Wait, let me name that logo. Yeah, I'll click on save and it should save it. I'll delete this one. I'll go to file, place embedded and click this right here. Now it should place my logo. Now you can create it. You can reduce the opacity and hence your watermark has been made. No big deal, it's too easy to make this. You can even put your company's logo right here or right here. I need to reduce the opacity, I think so. Well, let me do that. Yeah, this is good. Control T to transform it. Never ever forget that shortcut, it's pretty useful. Yeah, so you can just pick up an image and start adding watermark to it. So this will be your class project. Just go do it. Just download an image and create your own watermark and place it, and let me see how you have done your job. Now you can upload it in the discussion session. So I'll see you in the next video. Peace.